we're gonna go so deep in the solar.
Is there anything in the COVID vaccine and any of the variations of it that could also be woken up by other hormones, or like when it can bind with another like gland cell, do like a different thing?
Question,
like what's in there that could eventually bind with something else within the body? How does it flow through your bloodstream? Where does it go? Where does it break off? What hangs out? What lasts? What's left behind? What is this?
The COVID-19 vaccines, like all vaccines, are designed to train the immune system to recognize and fight the virus that causes COVID-19, specifically the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Each type of COVID-19 vaccine works a bit differently, but they all aim to elicit an immune response without causing the disease itself. Let's address your questions about what's in the vaccines, how they interact with the body, and their journey through the system. Vaccine components. 1. mRNA vaccines, e.g. Pfizer-BioNTech, Moderna. mRNA, messenger RNA. This is the main active ingredient. It provides instructions for cells to make a harmless piece of the spike protein found on the surface of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Lipid nanoparticles. These encase the mRNA to protect it from degradation and help deliver it into the host cells. Buffers and stabilizers. These ensure the vaccine maintains its properties during storage and transportation. 2. Viral vector vaccines, e.g. Johnson & Johnson. Modified virus, not SARS-CoV-2. This vaccine uses a different virus as a vector.
I'm not a chemical
modified
engineer.
to carry coronavirus genetic material. Other additives. Like mRNA vaccines, these can include buffers and stabilizers. How the vaccine works in the body. Entry and distribution. Once administered, typically through an injection into the muscle, the components of the vaccine begin to disperse from the injection site. Cellular process. For mRNA vaccines, the lipid nanoparticles help the mRNA enter the body's cells. The cells use the instructions in the mRNA to produce a piece of the spike protein. Immune response. The immune system recognizes these proteins as foreign and begins to build an immune response and make antibodies. Breakdown and clearance. mRNA. The mRNA strands in the vaccines do not integrate into the DNA of the human cells and are quickly broken down by normal cellular processes. Protein. The spike protein itself is also degraded by cellular processes after it has been used to stimulate the immune system. Other components like the lipid nanoparticles and additives are metabolized or cleared by the body through natural physiological processes. What's left behind? The main remnant of the vaccine process is the immunological memory. T cells and B cells remember how to fight the virus in the future if the body encounters it. Interaction with hormones or glands. There is no evidence to suggest that the components of the COVID-19 vaccines wake up or interact with hormones or glandular cells in a way that would alter their function or lead to adverse effects. Vaccines undergo rigorous testing to ensure they are safe and effective. In summary, the COVID-19 vaccines are designed to be effective and safe, with the primary residues being the immune cells trained to recognize and combat the virus. The vaccines do not typically interact with other body systems like hormones or glands in harmful ways.
Okay, that's cool. I mean, I'd love to dive deeper, but I'm not a chemical engineer. This goes for other people out there. Thanks for your help, dude. Yeah, I mean, this goes for you guys out there. I don't know. Does it make sense to you? It made sense to me, I think. I don't think any of it did. I don't know. I don't know. What do you think? I was just kind of thinking, like, I don't know, if you don't trust, I don't trust anything. What's produced here? Everything's produced wherever. I don't know, man. Big picture shit's crazy. Who really, truly knows? I don't know anything. I just love to theorize it all. Like, for what? No reason at all. To talk to yourself. That's why, Dave. To freaking talk to yourself. That's what you're doing.